Triple Threat Flag Football Belt Review. Is there really one best flag football belt or best flag football flag option to consider? In the flag football world, it comes down to two contenders: Flag-A-Tag, which we've already reviewed at length, and Triple Threat, which is the only other perennial powerhouse to contest for the title of best flag football flags and belts. The Triple Threat flag football flags function quite a bit differently than Flag-A-Tag. The first feature you'll notice is this belt lives up to its name. There are 3 flags per belt. Triple Threat belts come in a standard white color with 4 color options of flags: blue, green, red, or yellow. On the flip side, in the case of Triple Threat, all is one. That is, the belt and all 3 flags are all one piece. Each flag, which is made of a heavy vinyl material, is individually stitched to the belt. Once a defender gets a grip on any one of the 3 flags on his belt, the entire belt is designed to unbuckle from the front and be pulled off to mark the player is down. Triple Threat belts may not create any special sounds when pulling them, but with the design of these flags, it's much easier to put the belt and flags back on and be ready to go for the next play. In the middle of a game, you need to be able to put the flag belt up off the field and put it on quickly. You don't want to waste a timeout just to get your belt back on. You might assume that since the flags don't actually come off the belt, that it might mean the flags will rip more easily. However, the Triple Threat flag football flags are built like a lineman in the trenches. These flags are tough and they last through seasons of aggressive, competitive play. The Triple Threat flag football belt's features and benefits. Number 1, the flags are sewn on to the belt. Sturdy stitching from flag to belt means you don't have to chase down single flags. These are durable vinyl flags that last for many, many games of intense flag football. Number 2, multiple color options. Your team can pick from green, yellow, red, or blue, which gives you a choice to contrast or blend in flags with your uniform colors. Number 3, large, adjustable, comfortable belt. Fits all adult male and female shapes and sizes, adjusts at the loop of the belt. Number 4, clip on in front to secure. Wrap around your waist and clip the belt from one end to the other. Simple and effective. And number 4, pull one flag, the entire belt comes off. Very easy to put back on. Just pick up the belt and clip it back on, and you're ready to go for the next play.